to my channel. Today we'll make a very soft and easy idiyappam. For that I have taken 2 cups of rice flour. It may be regular rice flour or the idiyappam flour that you get in the stores. I have boiled 3 cups of water. I have added the 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. I have added about 2 teaspoons of oil. The oil may be regular cooking oil or coconut oil. Now mix the oil, salt and flour well and add the boiling water little by little and mix carefully till the dough reaches this consistency. If you take the dough in the hand, it will not be sticky. It will be just this consistency. It will be very hot. Now put a plate on top and let the dough to rest. Now we will make the kurma. For that I have taken 1 onion and 2 tomatoes and cut them to small pieces. In a mixie jar I have taken 1 green chilli. You may add more chillies if you like spice. I have added a small piece of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic gives a very good flavor to this kurma. I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut and grind all these to a fine paste. Now place a pot on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, add the cut onions and a few curry leaves and saute for a few minutes. Keep it on medium flame because the onion should cook well and the color should not change. If the color changes, the taste will also change. So keep it on medium flame and saute so that it cooks properly. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option so that you will get notification for all the videos I post and you will not miss any of these videos. I am sure all of you will subscribe, watch the videos and comment without fail, which is a great support to the channel. Expect more of you to subscribe. Now add the cut tomatoes to the onion. The tomatoes should cook very well. So stir the onion and tomatoes. Place a lid on top and cook it on medium flame for about 5 minutes when the tomatoes will be mushy and the onions will be well cooked. Stir it for about a minute or 2 after taking off the lid and then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now saute well till the raw smell of the powders are gone. Only then the kurma will be very tasty. Now add the ground coconut, ginger, garlic and green chili paste to it and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes when the raw flavor of the ginger and garlic will go. Now keep sauteing and when it becomes a little thick like this, it will be ready for water. So you may add about 1 to 1.5 cups of water. Now add the water to it, mix well, add 3/4 teaspoon or more salt as per your taste and cover it with a lid and let it to boil. Now it has to boil well and the kurma will be done. So place a lid on top of it and let it boil. When the kurma is boiling, you may check the idiyappam flour. Now when you take it in the hand, it will be cold and at this consistency, but you have to mix it, knead it well like a chapati dough so that it will be soft and it will be easy for you to make the idiyappam. Knead it well and make rolls like this so it will be easy for you to make the idiyappam. So press the dough on the idiyappam plate, You may use the idiyappam plate or idli plates also. It all depends on whichever you have. It has to be steamed, so you may use it accordingly. Now spread the dough well like this and steam it for 8 to 10 minutes. By now the kurma will be ready. Add some coriander leaves to it and the tasty kurma is done. Now when the idiyappam is steamed for 8 to 10 minutes, it will be ready, and when you take it out, it will be very soft and very tasty. Making idiyappam like this is very easy. You may make any amount of idiyappam without any strain. It will be very tasty. With this kurma, you can make chutneys also along with it, but this kurma is a good combination for the idiyappam. The idiyappam will be very soft, and it will be very tasty. It is easily digestible, and idiyappam is liked by everyone. Anyone can eat it. So it's very tasty and good for health. It's a good meal. This may be taken for breakfast, lunch, dinner. At any time you can take idiyappam. Let's meet in the next video.